Hello buddy, welcome back to my YouTube channel. I'm Veronica. Today we're going to make
Gajun creamy sauce.
Gajun creamy sauce. So we got Gajun seasoning. So we got 2 containers of thicken cream, chicken stock, and we got blockers butter. Okay, we got crushed garlic, and we got grated Parmesan cheese. So we got this from grated. And we got ground paprika. We got black pepper. We got salt and so we just got, if you want, we got, yeah, we're not going to put this too much, it's so spicy. Do it in the pot. So first ingredients,
2 tablespoons of butter.
Butter, where's the butter? Oh, so we got soft butter. Yep. So we're going to do 2 tablespoons. 2 tablespoons. Okay. So they can see the butter. So 2.
Yeah.
For that.
Yep. Yeah. Oh.
I was going to use my hands. So another one?
Yep. Oh, that's a bit too much. Cut it, yeah. Okay, that should be enough, okay.
A little bit over there.
Okay. So, well, you melt the butter, then you add.
Put the pot on so it is this one. So we're on gas. So we're going to melt the butter. So we're going to do 2 teaspoons of garlic.
Yep. You stir it around.
So we can show.
While you're doing that, make your chicken broth.
So it's garlic with the melted butter. It's all mixed together. Look at that. You can do half a cup on the first line.
Yep.
Oops.
Got a spoon there and I go and stir it all up.
This one here.
Yep.
Stir it all together.
Yep.
I think it's all stirred together.
Okay. I'll turn it on your mash here. get out your cup of heavy cream.
1 cup of thicken. We could just use thicken cream, but you can use heavy cream, whatever. So 1 cup.
Which is going to equal to 2 of those
Cartons.
yeah.
So another one.
Yes.
So until this is full up to the top. Yeah, I'm like, yeah. Come on. Ah! I'm almost creamed myself.
Oh.
I made a mess on your bench.
Okay. Once you've done that, add the stock and the cream to this and stir.
Okay. I got the
Stock first. Yep.
So we add the stock. In the cream?
Yeah, and the cream. Cups off. You told them I miss.
So the 1 cup of thicken cream.
Yeah, and stir it.
You can use heavy cream or thicken cream. We're just using there, 1 cup up there. Let's go.
Right. Once
Yeah.
that's combined. Oh, yes. Okay.
No, it's a bit lumpy.
Oh, that's all right. Once it's that's the cream. Once it heats up. So now add
So we're going to do 1 tablespoon.
Yep. Just level it out. Not too much. Just level it out. Not.
Like that.
Yep.
So it just goes feathered around.
Yes.
Yeah.
Okay. Then you need a half a teaspoon of
So we do half a teaspoon. Is that half a teaspoon?
Yep.
So half a teaspoon of ground paprika.
Yep.
And so what?
You mix it together. Yeah. Or do you want a 1/4 teaspoon of cayenne pepper?
Canine.
Yep. In the bag.
Oh yes.
Yes, 1/4 teaspoon. There.
This one.
Yep.
So we're going to do 1/4 teaspoon of cayenne pepper.
And mix it together? Yes, mix it all together. And then you just let it come to the boil a bit.
Okay.
Just thicken it up a bit.
This will be my tomorrow video. Okay. This will be my tomorrow video. Yeah. I'll leave it. So cup of
Cheese.
grated cheese. Grated, so we're going to do grated
Parmesan.
Parmesan. Huh? Don't made a mess. Oh, made a mess. Sorry, Mum. I made a mess in your clean bench. Yep.
Okay.
And this?
Yeah, or tablespoon. So you've got your tablespoon in the pot, so take lemon here. You've got to add that to your pot.
So we're going to bring the cheese over.
Yeah.
And the lemon juice. So we're going to put the cheese in first.
Yep.
Oh, now it looks thick. So we're going to put the cheese in.
Yep.
So we're going to mix it.
Yep. And then add the tablespoon of lemon juice.
Okay.
This way. And beat it.
So you put the lemon juice on here and here.
Yep.
So I'll get it raw.
And salt and pepper.
Okay.
Yep. Tablespoon. So use your tablespoon from there.
So we do tablespoon of lemon juice. Oops. I put it extra. Oops. Oopsies.
Actually fine. And just stir it all together and just then thicken up some more and
Then we just put black pepper and
salt.
salt.
Yeah.
So we're going to put black pepper. Yep.
You want this?
No. And then we're going to put salt. Then we can stir it around. No. Sure, that's what it looks like.
You've got to put it in a bottle.
I think I'll fit in there. That'll fit in there. Thank you for watching how to make, what is it? Gajun creamy sauce. If you guys want to try this recipe, I'll write the link down in the description down below. Subscribe, push notification bells for more videos down the line. Running is out. Bye.